Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 60 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display and brightness. Following that, scroll down again and tap on screen refresh rate. Now just tap on the best option for you in order to apply it. Auto select, high or standard. Whatever you decided when you're done, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my REALME has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!